to Malaga. Let me show you around. Let's start with the main thing, the main street. The Phoenicians first colonized the city of Malaga in 1000 BC and named it Malaka. The name of the city probably came from the Phoenician word Malac, which means to salt. The Phoenicians settled along the river, which was the fish salting center. In a very close walking distance from the main street is the Cathedral of Malaga. The cathedral has a Gothic height, with one side being from the Renaissance and the other from the Baroque era. Why? It just took too long to be finished, and yet the cathedral is not fully completed. Lack of money is the reason for this. Later on, the king offered money to finish it, but the people of Malaga refused this offer with the words, what for? It is amazing as it is. The main entrance is on the side of the cathedral. Entrance is 6 euros if you want to go up, 10 euros, and make sure you come early to avoid the lines. The Alcazaba. Malaga was under Moorish rule for over 7 centuries. It is not a surprise that you can find an Alcazaba here. The word Alcazaba means a Moorish fortification in Spain and Portugal. It literally translates as a walled fortification in a city. And this particular Alcazaba is the best preserved Alcazaba in whole Spain. Ticket is just 3 euros. Malaga is a city of museums. There are around 35 of them. Food. Many travelers think Spain is all about paella and sangria. But there is much more. In the video of Sevilla, I told you about tapas. Here you can also have tapas, but since Malaga is on the sea, why don't you enjoy some fresh seafood? Here are a few places to check out. La Campana, typical Spanish, all about seafood, not a fancy one and good value for money. Casa Lola, tapas, looks touristic but offers variety of Spanish food. El Pimpi, wanna have good paella? Check El Patio. And that was Malaga from my curious eyes. Have I missed something? And did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments, and please, if you like the video, do hit the like button because that helps me a lot. And subscribe for more travel videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!